Hi, everybody. My name is Megan Wedal. My pronouns are she, they. I'm a recent graduate of the U of M and a former student staff member at the Bell Museum, so I am super excited to be able to participate in this year's SciPride event. I'm here to talk about my undergraduate research and my current work in using microorganisms to help clean up environmental hazards. So to start off, all life on Earth can be divided into one of three really basic categories. And as humans, we live right here on this big tree of life. And we can do some pretty awesome things, right? We can build skyscrapers and trains and cross-country railroads. But sometimes things can go a little bit wrong, and a train might derail, or a factory might spill some of its chemical waste. It happens a lot more often than you might think, actually. So in cases like that, we humans can get help from some of our friends that live elsewhere on this tree of life. And my best friends and coworkers are bacteria, archaea, and fungi. Many types of these guys are capable of metabolizing or breaking down a lot of hazardous compounds. So I won't bore you with an entire biochemistry lecture, but we can think about this with an analogy. So the microbes that I work with most often in my job love eating this compound called PCE for dinner. They'll eat it piece by piece, taking little bits off of their plate at a time until they're so full they can't eat anymore, and all that they leave behind is harmless scraps. Sometimes the microbes that I use on job sites will be so hungry that they'll eat more than 90% of their PCE dinner. And that helps us out a lot. It saves us humans a lot of trouble and a lot of hospital bills. Similar processes like this example occur for the decay of a wide range of chemicals. And there are so many other applications too. It's not just PCE. My undergraduate research, for example, was using fungi to remove or eat toxic metals like selenium from wastewater. And in my job every day, I use microbes to help us clean up oil spills, gasoline, or canola or olive oil, and also to help degrade chlorinated solvents like PCE. With the right nutrients and the right environment, the possibilities are really endless. So I'm really excited to keep working on stuff like this and see what other problems we can use microbes to help us fix up.